Okay, finding first three common multiples. Moving on to practice of page 41, question number 7. Firstly, we had seen about the factors. Here we are going to see the multiples. Multiples are nothing but the tables of a particular number given. Here you have to find first three common, means first three which are repeated in both the numbers have to be a first three common multiples. Now here we have to find multiples of 3 and 2. So multiple of 3, so I have written the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, 3s are 9, 4s are 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and they are endless. That dot indicates they are endless, and you have to keep some dots like this compulsory. Multiples of 2. Table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 4, 2 are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4s are 8, 5s are 10, 6 are 12, 7s are 14, 8s are 16, 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, and again the dots to show the endless numbers. Now common multiples. First you can see I had circled again the multiples in the multiples of 3 and 2. So 6 is in the 3 as well as 2 common. In the table of 3, 12, and in the table of 2, 12. So again 2 are common. Table of 3, 18. Table of 2, 18. Again 3 are common. So I got the first three common multiples. 6, 6, 1. 12, 12. This is second common multiple. 18, 18. This is third common multiple. So 6, 12, and 18 are the first three common multiples of 3 and 2. The same way you have to go with 6 and 8. But children, remember when I had solved 6 and 8, till the table of 6, I am not getting 60 the common multiples. 6 was the 6, 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 4 are 24 till 60, right? And I have written the table of 8 till 80. You can see here. But only one common multiple I am getting, that is 24. So now what here you have to do, please listen and understand carefully. If till 60, that is 6 times the 60, you are not getting any of the common multiples, you have to move further with the extension of tables. So now after 6 times the 60, 11 6 are 66, 12 6 are 72, 13 6 are 78, 14 6 are 84, 15 6 are 90, 16 6 are 96. Why I stopped here? You see, in the table of 8 also, see till 80 I am not getting the common multiple, only 24 I am getting as a common multiple and 72, but I am not getting it here in 6, so I have to extend the tables further. Till 10 it is okay, but if you are not getting common multiples, you have to go multiplying with the one digit more. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, you can see. Till 80 I am not getting the third multiple, so I have gone with 11 8s are 88, 12 8s are 96. Now you can see I am getting all the three first common multiples. 24, 24, right? 72. In the table of 8, 72 comes. So this is the second common multiple, and 96 is the third common multiples after extending the tables. So my first three common multiples are 24, 72 and 96. Only thing you have to remember here is, if in the multiples that is in the table of any of the number till 10, if you are not getting the common multiples, please extend the table. You can multiply 11 with particular, as I said, 11 6 are 66, 12 6 are 72, 13 6 are 78, 14 6 are 84, 15 6 are 90, and 16 6 are 96. So to find out the third multiple, I had extended till 16 6 are 96. So till you are not getting the first three common multiples, you have to move further. So please remember, the only one sum is left. I am continuing with that sum. Okay, the last sum for first three common multiples, question number 7 on page 41. Number 5, 4, 8 and 12. So first write the table of 4, that is multiples of 4. So 4 ones are 4, 2s are 8, 4 threes are 12. Till 40 you can find it out. But till 40 I am getting only one common multiple, so that will not work. So I have to extend my table from 4 tens are 40 to 11 fours are 44, 12 fours are 48, 13 fours are 52, 14 fours are 56, 15 fours are 60, 16 fours are 64, then 17 fours are 68, then 18 fours are 72, 19 fours are 76, 20 fours 4s are 80. See, then also I am not getting the third multiple here. So 21 4s are 84. 22 4s are 88. 23 4s are 92 and 24 4s are 96. So to get my third multiple, I have to reach till 4s are 96. You can find it out here. I little bit stopped because of confusion, but it's okay. Now here table of 8, that is multiples of 8. Here also till 80 I am not getting the second multiple. So again I have to extend my table. Till 80 it is clear. 8 1s are 8, 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. 2 common multiples I am getting, but I am not getting the third one. Right? I said second, but it is not second, it is third. So after 80 I have to extend. So 11 8s are 88, 12 8s are 96. Right? And if I write the table of 12, I do not have to extend table of 12 because till 12 10s are 120, I am getting all the 3 multiples which I want. So 12 1s are 12, 2s are 24, 3s are 36, 48, 84, 96, 110, 120. These are the tables what I have written of multiples of 12. Now find out the common multiples. So first is 24 present in multiple of 4, multiple of 8 and multiple of 12. Second common multiple is 48 in the multiple of 4, 48 in multiples of 8 and 48 in multiples of 12. And for the third which I have to go till here 24 4s are, that is 96 is the third common multiple which I have to extend my table in 4 and 8. So 96 in the multiple of 4, 96 in the multiple of 8 and 96 in the multiple of 12. So first 3 common multiples in multiple of 4, 8 and 12 are 24, 48 and 96. Hopefully this is clear to you and you have to copy the sums done on the board by me as a part of your classwork, and the homework is already mentioned in the pictures. Have a look at it. Thank you.